Hey guys, we're back live again. So I had just bought these again. There's a big dip here. Came back up. I never got my sales on these trades that I bought, but I was just up 10% in my account, probably more when it came up there. But I wasn't at the computer at that time. But anyways, I had some orders sitting out here. It just did a double bottom here. So I bought some on the dip here. All these DeFi stocks are just coming down pretty hard. That's why YFI is down 21%. FLM 25%. It's a pretty big list, up in the 15s and the high teens. There's only two coins that are positive, which is EOS and ETC, all up on Binance futures. Everything else is just pretty much negative. We don't know how much lower we can go because I mean these things are just breaking down pretty hard. Look at that. So we're just gonna buy some of these sushi. We're just gonna hold on to this for now. Might be a good double bottom here. I only have a small amount, so it doesn't, not too worried. I'm not gonna get too carried away buying more. But what we're looking for is a bottom here, a double bottom here, and then get a nice up move. I bought these some here, so I might do some scalping, get out, and then buy them back again. I need to find some music to play. I'm going to be doing a lot of these live streams, so if you guys want to join me, just let me know. Once I start getting some subscribers and some likes coming to my channel, then I'll do more of these. And you can trade with along with me, and I'll make some money together. It's kind of struggling over here now. What I'm going to do is in my second account, I'm just going to buy all these DeFi stocks, put about 20-25% of my portfolio in it, and just don't worry about it for a couple of days. Hopefully they'll hang around here and give a nice 20-30% move. There's data we talked about earlier, shorting this. I have a bot running here, but this thing's gonna come down pretty hard. If you're not shorting this, I mean, this is gonna go down to at least 50 cents, probably even more. So if you know any up move, you want to short this. BZRX, wow, it was at 12, it was at just 70 just a couple of weeks ago, right here. September 13th, we're at 70.80. So this is what I'm expecting theta to happen to theta. So if you're not short, find a good opportunity to get in short on theta. The FLM just collapsed. This thing was just at 30 when we were talking about it. Just got about a 40% down move. It's just at 40 cents 2 days ago, or yesterday actually. So what I'm buying is BZRX, BAL, and not BAL, BZRX, and YFI. Where's Uni at? 2.8. This is not low enough for me to buy, even though it had a big down move. But this would be a good idea, a good time to scalp this long right here. So the sushi that we bought is starting to come up now. So all these buys that I've gotten, they're almost all positive. I was selling around 66.5. But if I want to make quick profit, just put some at 65. We're struggling at the 65 level. Alright, so 65. Let's just sell some at 65.5 around that area. Looking at pretty good 3% move almost on this one trade. If I can get these trades. Alright, so I've got 2 sales. No, not yet. My orders are going so late. So we're getting some orders filled for 65.5. I'm gonna buy some of those back that I just sold. Alright, so we should be getting some sales on sushi. We're right there at the top. Yep, we got some. Alright, getting some more sales at 65 and a quarter. And we have buys below again to buy some more. So as I had said when this originally ran out, that we're going to be moving sideways around this area. So these are good scalping opportunities to make 0.5% to 1% per trade. Hopefully what's going to happen is we're just going to be around this area. Around 62 to maybe around 68, 70. If the selling has finished. Okay, we're getting some buys filled again. 64.70. Here's all my buys around 65, 67. In a very tight range right now, so something's gonna happen. Something has to give. Alright, so it had formed this resistance here. Now it has now it looks like it's going to do another down move before it comes up. We don't want to buy anymore unless it breaks the 65.5. Yep, the price action has just died down now. Volume has dropped. Probably gonna make a down move and then come back up. This is a bot I have running on the software, so it just does its own thing. Getting some more buy fills. starts coming down when I cancel my buys. Usually when it's in a tight range, it's a sign for a big explosion. Looks like it's going to come down a little bit. Cancel my buys. And then buy some back some more lower. Got a little up move here. It starts coming up when I cancel my sell orders too. I'm gonna ride this a little bit. Alright, so struggling to break this up move here, so it's not looking good until it breaks it, so I'm just gonna keep watching it. Yep, can't break the 65, so struggling here for sure. I'm gonna put some sales up here. get some out, and then we can always buy it back later. Yeah, we're coming down. I have a short pot and a long pot running on Theta. I'm still in the money on most of my trades. I got these around under 64. An average price buy around 64. So I want to get rid of some of these here because it looks like we're going to take a big down move. This thing is struggling. Get some sell orders, get some out. Don't want to risk it. It's fine if it comes up, because if it comes up, then we'll buy back on the pullback. This thing is struggling here. I got rid of some more. Alright, so we said 65 is pretty struggling, so let's see if it'll break it this time. It's right under this moving average. Alright, getting some more sales right under 65. $64.90. Hit this moving average, but let's see if it breaks through it. He said 65 was the resistance point. Yep, right back down again. We'll buy some more again here. Alright, we're getting filled on the down move. So the ones that we just bought, put some more sales up here. It looks like this thing's gonna come down. It's pretty weak. You're not gonna make money every time, but you know, if you have spare time, just get on, log in, find some good moving stocks, coins. Just hop in these trades. Yeah, this is looking weak. But I bought some for the swing trade, so this is probably a good place to get in. Alright, so I had some sell orders up here in the low 80s. Alright, so I'm probably going to get those fills. Alright, we're getting some fills at 79. We'll go a little bit lower. Just having trouble right here, but I have a feeling it's just going to take off. Alright, 76, got some more at 75. I have to get rid of some because it's struggling here, so some more lower. And this is my bot running here. Okay, so it looks like Sushu still wants to come up, so I'm going to cancel my sell orders now. And hopefully we'll just have a nice push out. I got most of my sales in the 80s, high 80s, mid 80s. You can see my sales right here. I'm gonna buy this back again. It's in a nice little range. You can get easily 0.5% on a trade. What this is doing here is what it's doing here. I'm getting my fills back again below 43, 44, 45, low 20s. So I'll get these sales back up. Getting filled at 12 and 14. Some of these sales back up here. Alright, so this is exactly what it's doing. It struggled at 65, and now we're coming back down. Alright, so we came down here before, looking for an up move again, get rid of some more on the up move, break even on some of these trades that I bought. I can buy him back lower. I'm getting some fills at 63.5. So over now 83. Alright, so I have this position. I'm just gonna hold on to it. Maybe put in a stop loss and then buy them back later again. Alright guys, this is I'm gonna make another video soon. Alright, thanks, take care.